Nature has the power to make kids happier, healthier, and smarter. But over the past few decades, childhood has moved indoors, leaving children disconnected from the natural world. Each day, American kids spend hours engaged with technology and fewer than 10 minutes playing outside. Rates of childhood obesity, diabetes, and mental illness have risen dramatically and affect low-income children and communities of color disproportionately. Through the Cities Connecting Children to Nature initiative, 7 cities are working to counter these trends, and you can too. City leaders are creating programs and policies that make it easier for children and families to experience the many benefits of nature. These cities are increasing equitable access to nature by meeting kids where they live, play, and learn, in neighborhoods, schools, daycares, and summer job programs. Join us to close the nature gap in your city.